I've been doing home inspections since 1994. I've got a home inspection firm with 10 plus inspectors, and we do about 4,000 inspections a year. Typically what we see in the older roofs is the cracking, curling, staining in roofs, missing shingle grit. As the shingle ages, it starts to break down and it's not as efficient. The shingles themselves get brittle and get thin, which is going to cause roof leaks. It's a big issue with the sellers looking to sell their home, because when we do a home inspection for a buyer, obviously the buyer is going to ask for the roof to be replaced if it's nearing its end of life. We see a lot of companies out there that do cleaning and types of things, but the products out there, you have to be careful what's in it, because a lot of them will actually dry out the shingle. So when I first heard about the Roof Max product and did some research myself on it and found out that they were involved with Soy Ohio, the Ohio State University, Battelle Labs, which is the largest and probably one of the most well-respected research and development companies in the world, I was hooked on it. We actually had them come out and do my own personal house and 3 others in my neighborhood. I watched the whole application process, and it took about 20-30 minutes. It also made my roof look newer, so it kind of brought back the actual color from when it was installed. The cost difference from roof replacement to the Roof Max product is just a fraction of the cost. That was an advantage for us, and even though my house is only 8 years old, I've got plenty of life left, but I'm going to keep reapplying this product for every 5 years because it's going to just last to the longevity of my roof. We would recommend our clients use the Roof Max product, no question. It's the only product that we know out there that is an actual alternative to a roof replacement for a house that's got less than 5 years age left on the roof.